Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of woodcraft ideas, those incorporation of global influences in woodworking world. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the realm of woodworking, the rich tapestry of global influences offers an endless source of inspiration for artisans seeking to create diverse and unique woodcrafts. Each culture brings its own set of techniques, aesthetics, and philosophies, resulting in a mosaic of styles that can be woven together to produce stunning pieces that resonate with both tradition and innovation. One compelling approach is to incorporate the intricate joinery techniques found in Japanese woodworking, such as the use of shoji screens or the dovetail joints that exemplify precision and craftsmanship. These methods emphasize the beauty of simplicity and functionality, allowing artisans to create pieces that blend seamlessly with their surroundings. By integrating these techniques into contemporary designs, woodworkers can pay homage to the meticulous artistry of Japanese culture while infusing their work with a modern sensibility. Similarly, the vibrant patterns and bold colors of African woodcraft provide another layer of inspiration. Artisans can draw from traditional carving techniques used in tribal masks or sculptures, which often tell stories and convey cultural significance. By adopting these forms and motifs, woodworkers can create contemporary pieces that celebrate African heritage while also resonating with a global audience. For example, a furniture piece adorned with carved geometric patterns inspired by African textiles can serve as both a functional item and a vibrant work of art, bridging cultures and inviting dialogue about the stories behind the designs. This blend of cultural influences encourages artisans to explore the meanings and traditions embedded in the techniques they adopt, enriching their understanding of the materials and their potential. Incorporating Scandinavian design principles, known for their minimalism and functionality, can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of woodcrafts. The emphasis on clean lines and natural materials speaks to a respect for the environment and a focus on simplicity. By merging Scandinavian design with elements from other cultures, such as intricate carvings or vibrant colors, woodworkers can create pieces that are not only visually striking, but also deeply meaningful. For instance, a Scandinavian-inspired chair crafted from locally sourced wood can feature carved armrests reminiscent of indigenous patterns, marrying functionality with cultural storytelling. This approach not only highlights the artisan's skill, but also emphasizes a global dialogue that transcends borders and traditions. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Exploring the techniques of indigenous peoples can further enrich the woodworking process. Many indigenous cultures have developed unique methods for working with wood that are deeply tied to their environments and lifestyles. For example, the use of steam bending in Native American woodworking allows for the creation of organic shapes that mimic the curves of nature. By learning and applying these traditional methods, contemporary woodworkers can create pieces that honor the craftsmanship of indigenous cultures while also exploring new forms and designs. This fusion of techniques not only preserves traditional knowledge, but also fosters a greater appreciation for the relationships between people, their craft, and the natural world. The art of wood turning, prominent in cultures such as those found in Eastern Europe, offers an additional avenue for creativity. The intricate patterns and shapes produced through lathe work can be combined with other global influences to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Imagine a wooden bowl that features vibrant painted designs inspired by Mexican folk art, showcasing a beautiful interplay of form and color. Such pieces invite the viewer to appreciate the craftsmanship involved while also celebrating the rich cultural narratives that inform the designs. This cross-pollination of techniques and aesthetics encourages woodworkers to step outside of their comfort zones and experiment with new styles, leading to innovative creations that reflect a global perspective. Furthermore, the integration of traditional woodworking techniques from Asia, such as the intricate inlay work found in Chinese furniture, can elevate the artistry of woodcrafts. Artisans can experiment with marquetry and intarsia, using contrasting woods to create stunning visual effects that tell a story or convey a theme. By incorporating these techniques into modern designs, woodworkers can produce pieces that celebrate the rich history of craftsmanship while also appealing to contemporary sensibilities. For example, a coffee table featuring detailed inlay patterns inspired by traditional Chinese motifs can serve as a focal point in a living room, merging functionality with artistic expression. This melding of traditional and modern influences creates a dialogue that resonates with a diverse audience, inviting them to appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship from around the world. In addition to aesthetic influences, the philosophies surrounding woodworking in different cultures can significantly impact the creative process. For instance, the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which embraces imperfection and the beauty of natural flaws, can encourage woodworkers to appreciate the unique qualities of each piece of wood. By incorporating this philosophy into their work, artisans can create pieces that celebrate the natural characteristics of the wood, allowing knots, grain patterns, and variations in color to shine through. This approach not only adds depth to the artistry, but also fosters a deeper connection between the artisan and the material, encouraging mindfulness and intentionality in the crafting process. As global communication becomes increasingly accessible, woodworkers have the opportunity to collaborate and exchange ideas with artisans from diverse backgrounds. Online platforms and social media allow for the sharing of techniques, styles, and inspirations, fostering a sense of community among woodworkers worldwide. This cross-cultural exchange can lead to exciting collaborations that result in innovative designs and techniques that blend multiple influences. For instance, a woodworker in Canada might partner with an artisan in India to create a line of furniture that combines Western functionality with Eastern aesthetics, creating pieces that are both practical and visually stunning. These collaborations not only enrich the individual artisans involved, but also contribute to a broader understanding of the global woodworking community. Moreover, the exploration of global influences in woodworking can serve as a powerful educational tool. Workshops and classes that focus on traditional techniques from different cultures can introduce new generations of woodworkers to the rich diversity of the craft. By learning about the history, significance, and methods behind various styles, aspiring artisans can develop a more nuanced appreciation for woodworking as a global art form. This educational approach not only preserves traditional knowledge, but also empowers individuals to innovate and create pieces that reflect their unique perspectives and experiences. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for Woodcraft ideas for the incorporation of global influences in woodworking world. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.